Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto, and I am here planning for the week of the 27th through the 1st. Maybe the 1st? Through the 2nd. So I am doing a Dutch door, but I'm doing a different Dutch door this week, and I'm going to have stuff across the top and then fill in my days down below. So I'm just going to jump right on into it and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did a Dutch door where I just kind of shortened it, and then I have my week at a glance up here. I don't have my work computer out, so I don't know my meetings and stuff as of right now, and I just really don't want to look at my work computer right now. And then I kept it going for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I added a priority section and then a habits section for this last panel that is right there. And then as usual, I'm doing an August review where I set up the start value on August 1st, what it is on August 31st, and then the difference for that platform. And so this is just trying to get a general review of how my social media went this month. And then usually I journal over here so either some highlights or why I think the numbers went the way they did, and go a little bit more into like my analytics and things like that. So that's usually how I end my month. I don't think I'm going to be doing a highlights because most of my highlights had to do with birthdays, and then I wrote those on the days, and I was sick for like half of the month, so I don't really want to highlight that. So it's probably going to just be me recapping my social media review. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen my September video already, I'll go ahead and link it up above. I really enjoyed how it turned out. And then I added this USF page for my alma mater to get the football schedule in for there. And I'll be having the fall bucket list on this page. So I'm really excited about that. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below about what kind of style you like. Do you like a Dutch door? Do you like a single page? Do you just like a basic daily pages? What kind of spreads do you guys like to see in your bullet journal? And I love reading those comments because it really inspires me in my own bullet journal journey, I guess you can say. So like and subscribe and hit that notification bell and all that kind of jazz, and I will see you on Friday. Have a great one.